Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on equations with fractions. We can use the processes we saw earlier to solve equations containing fractions. Let's have a look at some examples. The first one is m plus 3 over 4 equals 5. We have a 4 here on the denominator, so if we want to remove that 4, we multiply both sides by 4. So here is the working. Remember, what you do to one side of the equation, you have to do to the other. The 4's cancel, so that gives us m plus 3 on the left-hand side. 5 4s are 20. Subtract 3 from both sides. We've done that here, so m is 17. And if you substitute m equals 17 here, you will see that that works. Number 2, we have those two algebraic fractions equal 10. We multiply both sides by the lowest common multiple of 4 and 3. That is, the lowest number that 4 and 3 will divide into. That number is 12. So we've multiplied that term by 12, this term by 12, and that term by 12. So we have 4 into 12 goes 3, so that will be 3 outside of k plus 5. 3 into 12 goes 4, so that'll be 4 outside of k plus 7, and over here we have 10 times 12. When we expand that, we have 3k plus 15. When we expand that, we have 4k plus 28, and that gives you 120. Collect the like terms, which gives us 7k plus 43, and that gives us 120. If we subtract 43 from both sides, we get 7k equals 77, so k equals 11. And if you substitute k equals 11 in here, you'll find out that it will work. 11 plus 5 is 16. 4 into 16, so when you divide 4 into 16, that gives you 4. 11 plus 7 is 18. 3 into 18 goes 6. And you can see that 4 plus 6 gives you 10, so that works. Here's another one. We have an algebraic fraction on each side, so we multiply each side by the lowest common multiple of 6 and 5, which is 30. Of course, that's the lowest number that they both divide into. So that's exactly what we've done. We've multiplied each side by 30. 6 into 30 goes 5, so that gives you 5 outside of w plus 3. And 5 into 30 goes 6, so that gives you 6 outside of w minus 1. When we do the expansion, we get to that line. Subtract 15 from both sides, that gives us this line. When we simplify that, we get that line. Then we subtract 6w from both sides, because we like to keep the letters on the left. That gives us that line. That gives us minus w equals minus 21, because 5w minus 6w is minus w. 6w minus 6w is 0, and then you're left with minus 21, so w must be 21. And if you substitute 21 into there, you'll see that it works. This is a little bit more involved, but it's the same principle. We have 2, 3, and 6. The lowest common multiple of 2, 3, and 6 is 6, so we multiply each side by 6. So we've done it there, and here, and here. I've just gone to the second line here to fit all that in, because there's a lot of terms to write down. 2 into 6 goes 3, so that gives us 3 outside of 2b plus 4. 3 into 6 goes 2, so that's 2 outside of b minus 4. 6 into 6 goes once, so it's minus 1 outside of b plus 10. And 6 6s are 36. Remove the grouping symbols to get that line. Collect like terms to get that line. Subtract 12 from both sides to get this line, which gives you 3b equals 24, so b must equal 8. So this video has given us 4 examples where we've gone through some processes to help us solve equations containing algebraic fractions, and we always look at the denominators, and then we multiply each side by the suitable lowest common multiple.